Assalamu Alaikum.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, are you ready for your class?
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, read A'udhu Billahi and Bismillah.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, so today we are starting lesson number 25 and it is about exercise Ghunna. So in the previous lesson, I have taught you about Ghunna. Can you remind me? Can you repeat what is Ghunna?
Um, when you stretch the letter by 2 seconds.
No,
Um,
don't tell me you forgot. How is it possible?
uh, uh read the previous letter.
No. See, in the word of Ghunna, uh, the actual thing that but what we have to do in Ghunna, we are doing when we pronounce the word Ghunna.
So what?
Means the answer is in the word of Ghunna.
You like close your nose at the end, or like put the voice inside your nose.
Yes, like this is what we do when we want to do Ghunna, right? So put your voice in your nose for a while. That is called Ghunna. And I also told you that where we do Ghunna.
Um, like when it's
Hmm?
when it's high and
No,
I
no,
mean
it's not ha. It
Jones
was, yes,
Golf.
noon and meme.
Um,
Okay, actually, you know that now I'm again telling you one another thing. That is the Tajweed rule. That the condition in Tajweed, that is that whenever any letter has shad sign on it, so then we will call that letter is mushaddat. What we call?
mm, Mushadat.
Mushaddat. Yes. When we call any letter mushaddat,
When it's una.
when no, not sukun. If any letter has sukun, so we will call that letter is sakin. Remember?
Uh, yeah.
Yes. And when any letter has shad, so then we call that letter is mushaddat. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So always keep in mind that whenever you have mim mushaddat or noon mushaddat, so we always do gunna. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Mim mushaddat and noon mushaddat. That's mean whenever meme has shad sign on it or when noon has shad sign on it, so then we do gunna. Now, read the dua. Rabbi yassir
Rabbi Yashir.
wala tu'assir
Wala tuashir.
wa tammim alayna
Watamim alayna.
bil khair.
Bil khair.
Okay, so now start from here and see if you find any meme mushaddad or noon mushaddad. So then do gunna there. Okay.
Okay. Rash. Shu. Loon.
Not lun. Can you see the shad sign on meme after the lam?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, so do what we do.
Uh, Lengthen it by two.
Yes, we connect lam with meme and now the meme has shad, so we have to do gunna as well. So how will we read? Hmm?
Leave.
No, no.
Min.
Lum. Read lam with double dhamma and then connect with meme. It will be Rasulum.
Rasul. Rasulum. Lati.
Yeah, read one more time.
Rasul.
No, no, no,
Limina.
no, no. Rasulum.
Rasulum.
Hmm.
Why is it lum?
Because lam has double dhamma on it. And
Uh,
don't do you remember what was the sound of double dhamma?
yeah.
Yes. What is the sound of double dhamma?
Kun.
Not kun, it's un.
Un.
Yeah, when we read with the lam, so it will be lun. But because after that we have meme with shad, so we have to connect lam with meme. So it will become now lum.
Okay.
So it will be rasulum.
Rasulum.
Hmm. Then after
Lati.
rasulum minallahi.
Rasulum. Nalati.
Not T, it's ha with kasra.
He.
Yes, minallahi.
Minallahi.
Yes. Next.
Kita. Boom. Mubi. No.
Not nu. There are double dhamma, so it will be nun.
Nun.
Hmm. Go to the next word.
Arun.
Hi. Hi. Don't stretch it. Hi. Rum.
Irun.
Not a run. Connect with meme. Rum.
Rum.
Hmm.
Natto.
Sorry.
Natto.
Where is two?
At- I mean, who?
Minhu. See, meme has kasra and noon has sukun. So read meme with kasra and then connect with noon. Minhu.
Men who. So where
Yes.
am I collecting the meme?
Why? What?
Like, which letter am I connecting the meme to? The previous or the one?
See, I told you that already, but I'm repeating again that whenever any letter has shad sign on it, so then we read that letter twice. Okay, first of all, we read that letter with sukun sign, so that's mean we have to connect that with the previous letter. So that's why we are connecting meme with raw. And the second time we read that letter with their own sign. So that's mean whenever any letter has shad, so the another sign must be there. Okay, with shad, there will be one more sign always be there. So in this case, we have kasra. So first of all, we read meme with sukun and connect with the previous letter, and then we read meme with kasra. So when you read meme with kasra, so then after we have noon, the second next letter after meme, we have noon with sukun. So now when you are reading meme with kasra, so then we have to connect with the noon now. So that's why we are reading here hi room. First of all, we are connecting raw with meme and doing gunna room, and then we are reading meme with kasra and connecting with noon min. But here we don't do gunna because noon has sukun, not shad. Okay, we only do gunna when meme or noon has shad on it. So here we connect meme with noon without doing gunna like min, and then after we read ha with dhamma who. Khairum minhu. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So then go to the next.
What's the first letter?
It's ba with kasra.
B G
Bihi.
B C Bara
Bihijara.
Bihijara.
Hmm? What did you say?
Isn't the third letter ba?
No, third letter is not ba, that's Jim. Bihija
So what's the second letter?
ha
Where's ha?
after ba. See here. Uh, we just need to recognize with their shapes. So let me show you. So this line is for ba. Okay, because we have a straight line. Always keep in mind that the ba always comes with the flat shape. Okay, and if it has a one dot in the bottom, we call it ba. If there is a one dot on top, then we call it noon. So that's why we are considering this straight line with one dot in the bottom as ba. Then the second letter we have, which we are saying ha. So here you can see this is ha. Okay,
Okay.
with kasra. And then the third letter is jim again. So the half shape of ha, jim, and ha are same. When we doesn't have dot, we call it ha. When we have a dot in the bottom, we call it jim. And if we have a dot on top, like here, you can see. So then we call ha. Do you
Mm,
understand?
yes.
And after that, we have a alif connected with jim, and alif doesn't have any sign, and the previous letter has fatha. So that's why we will call it alif madda, and now we stretch it for 2 seconds. So it will be bihija.
Okay. Tam min min ije lan
Read again.
hajara
Bihijara.
hijara tam mina ije lan
Min sijilin.
min ije
Okay, go to the next.
lan tam
We're reading.
nuzan. Yeah.
Now read again.
Laun.
Law,
Yeah, lao.
lawhim.
Lauhim.
Then
Nutin.
lawhim.
Lauhim. Shama. Fuzin.
Sorry, lawhim.
Lauhim. Jama.
No, lawhim mahfu.
Lauhim. Mahu.
Hmm. Then last letter.
Zin.
Yes, very good.